Alright, how you doing, lawn amateurs? Just wanted to give you a quick update of my grass that I planted. As you can see, this is 7 days. A 7-day update right here. And we're doing pretty well. And today is about 95 degrees, but we got our seeds germinating. Check it out. It's coming in. So this is just a quick 7-day update that I wanted to show you guys. This is what I woke up to this morning. They're coming. A lot of watering. Can't miss a watering schedule because it is hot right now, and this will burn out if you miss one watering schedule. So, but check that out. This is side number 2. I'll bring you over to side number 1. This is side number 1. Check it out. We're making good progress. This side over here is not coming in as fast. It's not germinating as fast. I don't know why, but it's germinating, as you can see. But side number 2 is doing very well. Side number 1 is not too far behind, but as you can see, the sun is beaming down on this side pretty good right now. So I'm just trying to keep it moist, that's all. I'm hand watering it 3 times a day. So let's get a close up on this one. But yep, this is just a quick little update video. And you got a nice little patch over there. It's doing real well. All over there. It's just a quick update video. This is the 7th day. 1 week after I did all of the planting of the seeds and everything. This is 7 days after. Actually seen a few sprouting up, a few seeds sprouting up after around the 5th day, I want to say. It was like a couple sprouting out of the ground. But I said I'll wait and do a 7-day update. So this is 7 days here. Hope you enjoy. Check out my next video. I got a lot of more content coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Got any tips? Hit me in the comment section. I appreciate it.